just me, but I can't hear you. Anyone here? Oh shit. That's the one that should be connected. Oh, I can hear me now. Is it shit quality? Because I'll okay. Sorted. I wonder what was up with it before. Oh yeah, shit. I'm just using this new thing. After the chat. Amazing stuff. Right. So still in this trade, I'm quite happy with it. And the reason why I'm quite happy in it is because my stop loss is in the next region up there. And we're gonna close into this one here, which is beautiful. So yeah. Now, because we're in this range, back in this range, and it's not actually that clear on the left here, we could actually start rebounding off and coming back up. So now I'll start looking at, wait, my trade is there, right? Start looking at ways to get out still. If we start coming back up to these regions here, I'm going to take off, you know, literally 70%, because if we hit like 141 again, you know, we're coming back up to this range. It's very likely it's going to hit my stop up here. So, and that's how you kind of monitor your trades. And it means that if it's a loss, it's going to be a very small loss. And that's what you do. And then after that trade's done, you go to New York session, do the same thing, and then you start doing well. So we've got 15 minutes left. I'm hoping the 15 minute has enough time for it to come down. So 890 was its low. So yeah, that's good that we've passed the low, but you know, still see we did have a break above, but I'm still quite confident in this. And it's fine, you know. That's what needs to be. You need to be relaxed when you do this. Just chilling, seeing what you can catch. If you can't catch anything, you can't make that affect you. You just have to keep on going. So it's going to make its high here, hopefully. Just above my entry. And then we should fill this wick. My stop loss is there. So I have a 9 pip stop. But I said if I come back up to like here, I'm going to be closing, you know, 60–70% of that trade. But that's what I wanted to do. Look, for me, it's top wick. Now it needs to fall. Get the fuck down, bitch. Yeah. Come on, GG. Come on, push. It needs to get past that little resistance there. I think it will do that, hopefully before the 8 a.m. because we know 8 a.m. and we've seen it quite a lot of times. It will pull up the opposite direction of what it's going to be doing for the day. I've seen it so many times. So I kind of want to be out before then. The only thing I want on is my runner. So runner. But that was quite a good entry. You could have got in there when this flipped, like there. You would have eaten 55 pips, whatever. But yeah. And what you could do is the next 15-minute it closes, you can have your stop loss basically at break even because you'd only want it at the top of this wick anyway. But yeah. Come on, fill these lows, motherfucker. I want you to pass that low. Now I can see in the 30-minute we're looking good. I'm just looking at my MetaTrader. We should look at here. We're starting to reject these levels, and we should fall back down to here. 140.6 would be nice. But yeah, it's playing in this range. We need to push it down to this level here. So come on, GG, come on. Keep pushing, keep pushing. I'm still always thinking about how to get out, you know, how to get out of this trade. The the best way to do it. And I'll take a lot off if we come back up here. Because it means it's still rejecting that zone here to come back and fill this. Na, 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 na. That's how it is. You just have to take that risk. Then rinse, repeat in New York, and it'll be good. So it's coming up. This is interesting. So it's dipped into this region. It's like, ooh, I do not know about this. But yeah, and a bit of drawdown now. So 2 pips. I think before the new year, I probably would have had my stops at break even there, but I want to give it time. You know, I'm not worried about this in the slightest. You're risking like 1 or 2%, doesn't matter. I want to see how this actually comes into fruition if we start to fall, or if we start coming back up. If we start closing in this area here, I'm going to cut off at least 50%. So if this 15-minute candle closes just like this, or maybe like there, I'd be closing most of it, because we're closing in this range now, not down here. And that's not what I want. Come on, push that bitch. Just get down here. Follow. This is a little tiny resistance, so I'm hoping it doesn't really even react to this. Especially with volume coming in, New York volume. We're starting to get some pressure here. I'm starting to eat some money, which is good. Hey, which is beautiful. And yeah, we should come back down here. 20 pips, baby. Come on, GJ, you babe. There we go. What's that fucking noise? It's well annoying. Look, you see, going into our area, we're closing in nicely. Beautiful. So now I'm looking on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going, right, if we exceed this high here, I'm going to take off a lot of the position, I think. Because we should be starting to fall down now. I don't want no bullshit. I don't want no messing around. I just want you to fly, GJ, fly. But yeah, we should still come down. There we go. That is the push I need. Which is great stuff. Amazing. So it's filled up that wick, which is nice. That is good stuff. So we've got 9 minutes left. So now I need to start thinking about, right, what am I going to do with this 8 a.m. because I know it rips like a motherfucker the opposite way for a bit. So now we're coming to the end of this range. I'm actually thinking I'm going to take some money off, because we are coming back to this area here. So I might take off, I'm going to take off maybe 40%. So I'm going to do that now. How the fuck do you do that? So now nicely, that's nice. How the fuck do you do this? How the fuck do you close positions on this bitch? So now we're coming nicely. Oh, wow, guys. So we're starting to hit 8 pips, 9 pips about. Take some nice little profits there, boys. And now my stops are going to be at break even here, because I know we're starting to come up to the 8 a.m. and I don't want to risk it. So that's what we do. Amazing stuff. So yeah, so obviously, do you know how normally I say like, you know, 10 pips or whatever, but actually it's just at the rate, it's the next range, and there is one here, so we could react off it, and I don't want to, you know, risk that jeopardy, but we should be falling quite nicely now. And stop loss is at break even, so now this is a risk-free trade, and we've just basically hit 10 pips, so that's banging. Really, really, really good, solid trade that, guys. Very, very happy with that. Now dropping even more. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, guys, hit TP. Banging stuff. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing, amazing. That's what we like, guys. That's what we like. That's that good shit. That's what we eating. That's what we eating today, boys. Easy work, easy work. So now we look left and go right. How are we going? We're filling up these wicks right here. Beautiful. That's what we want. You know, we just got 15 pips there. I'm still running nicely. 15 pips. Lovely stuff. And yeah, that's how you do it. I can't get any better, guys. So there we go. Fixed TP. Nice TP. To the left, we looked here. And we've got the full position there. Beautiful. And now I'm going to unshare that. Oh, whoa, shit. Oh, fuck. Jeez, guys. I've just took out some more positions there. Wow, beautiful. So that's how you execute a trade there. You know, we had a nice stop loss, and this was our reward. Dropped down from this mini resistance and came down to fill these wicks. And yeah, that's how we did it. So now I'm gonna screen is sharing. Other stop recording.